since life is so fragile, what should we do? If life is prone to sickness, if life is prone to diseases, and I think this is part of the end-time message in Revelation 14 to glorify God. And end-time people are healthy people, amen? Therefore, we have to take care of this body temple, amen?
Amen.
So, this is a reminder for all of us. And part of the movement that will be prevalent in these last days, especially in God's church, one of these is health reformation. Let's remind ourselves that reformation or revival on health and reformation, it does not manifest itself in a self-righteous attitude that condemns others. So when you are inclined to do your own personal diet or health reformation, you do it yourself. Don't judge others if they are not, following the counsels on health. But yes, God's people in the last days, according to the pen of inspiration, they will be very careful on their health. Those who will be alive, this is from the pen of inspiration, those who will be alive in the last days, those who will not taste death, are those who really take care of his body. Amen?